Hi, and welcome to Lesson 5 of the 20 most commonly used English vocabulary words. Today we will learn some new sentences and definitions. Are you ready? I am, so let's get started with our first word. Aware. 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 Aware is an adjective. If you are aware of something, you know about it. The young couple is aware of the rain. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. Badly. 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 Badly is an adverb. Badly means in a severe way. The man was hurt badly in the car accident. Belong. 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 Belong is a verb. If something belongs to you, you own it. The brand new car now belongs to the young man. Nice. Continue. 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 Continue is a verb. To continue something is to keep doing it. It was hard to run, but the woman continued to exercise. Error. 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 Error is a noun. An error is something you do wrong. There was an error when he tried to shop online. Experience. 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 Experience is a noun. An experience is something you have seen or done. The old man had lots of experience with pottery. Field. 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 A field is a noun. A field is a big area of land. The field was full of flowers on the sunny day. Oh, it's very nice. Hurt. 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 Hurt is a verb. To hurt is to feel pain. Ouch. The woman's knee hurt after her run. That's no fun. Judgment. 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 Judgment is a noun. Judgment is when you make a decision on events. The referee made a judgment and gave a red card. Ooh. Likely. Likely. Likely is an adverb. If something is likely, it will probably happen. The sun is likely to rise every morning. Be scary if it didn't. Normal. 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 Normal is an adjective. If something is normal, it is not strange. They have a normal lunch together every day. That looks pretty nice. Rare. 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 Rare is an adjective. If something is rare, it isn't often seen. It is rare to see a real gold coin. Ooh, yeah, that's really rare. Relax. 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 Relax is a verb. To relax is to rest. That looks so nice. I love to relax in a hammock. So much. So nice. It's so nice. Request. 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 Request is a verb. To request something is to ask for it. The couple requested wine with their dinner. Special. Reside. 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 Reside is a verb. To reside somewhere means to live there. The family resides in the new apartment on the 3rd floor. Result. 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 Result is a noun. A result is something that happens because of something else. The man spoke sign language as a result of being deaf. Roll. 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 Roll is a verb. To roll is to move by turning over and over. The baker rolled the dough for the pastry. I wonder what he's making. Since. Since. Since is a preposition. Since is used to talk about past events still happening. The man has driven this car since he was a teenager. Lucky. Whew. Visible. 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 Visible is an adjective. Things that are visible can be seen. An X-ray makes bones like teeth visible. Wild. 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 Wild is an adjective. If something is wild, then it is found in nature. The wild giraffes walked in a herd. Cool. I hope you had fun today, and I'll see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.